Moving on, we have a big breaking news coming in from the national capital. Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has now launched crowdfunding program. She asks her people to donate money for Delhi elections. Once again, Aam Aadmi Party is relying on taxpayers' money for the elections. They're asking the people to contribute for their election campaign. A crowdfunding program has been launched. A similar program was also launched last time by the Aam Aadmi Party, and this time around too, the story is no different. Atishi has launched a crowdfunding program, and she has sought help from the people of the national capital to donate, and she has said that people can donate money for AAP's honest politics. Listen in.
आम आदमी पार्टी को सपोर्ट किया, आम आदमी पार्टी को डोनेट किया, आम आदमी पार्टी को चुनाव लड़ने के पैसे दी। आज मुझे खुशी है कि आज मैं अपने चुनाव के लिए, जो मैं कालकाजी विधानसभा से लड़ रही हूं, एक क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन की शुरुआत कर रही हूं। इस क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन का मकसद है कि जो 40 लाख रुपए मुझे चाहिए अपनी विधानसभा क्षेत्र में चुनाव लड़ने के लिए, मेरी आज दिल्ली के लोगों से, देश भर के लोगों से अपील है कि वो सामने आए और इस क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन में मुझे सपोर्ट करें।
And viewers, we're getting in breaking news in connection to the Delhi election, and the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has launched a campaign for crowdfunding for the Delhi election. Now, Chief Minister Atishi says and urges people to donate for her campaign for the Delhi election, saying people can donate money for Aam Aadmi Party's honest politics. Let's go across to Nalin Kohli, who's joining us on the phone line. A very good morning to you, sir. Now, Atishi has launched a crowdfunding campaign asking people to donate money for her honest politics. But the question persists if the Aam Aadmi Party politics is really honest, given the CAG report that has now surfaced over the liquor gate.
Basically, at the end of the day, the Aam Aadmi Party has been accused of serious corruption charges in Delhi. The liquor scam, excise scam is only one of it. So in that light, when they suddenly say we are very honest and honest politics, who's going to believe them? They are the ones who came on the great promise of India against corruption. We will ensure there is no corruption. All their leaders, including Mr. Kejriwal and others, have been in jail. Bail was denied to them for a very long time, because somewhere or the other, there was cogent material against them. The court felt that they should not be released immediately on bail. They have never come up with a proper answer in terms of, what was the explanation for changing the policy. Things like that. So, basically, when they, at the end of it, when they say that we need money, who's going to believe them? When you don't have cogent answers on why you indulged in a liquor scam, why were such serious allegations of corruption on it? And then you try to bring up this argument of clean politics, we are very honest and we are very clean. It will come across as hypocrisy. People are bound to look at it like that. And why shouldn't they look at it like that?
But Mr. Nalin Kohli, the BJP, beg your pardon, the Aam Aadmi Party continues to say that the BJP is politicizing the matter and continues to ask where really is this CAG report. They say, BJP goes on to say whatever comes to their mind. First they say where is the CAG report, then they say the CAG report is here. How do you respond to those allegations of the Aam Aadmi Party?
Were they not supposed to table the CAG report? Why is the CAG report not being tabled? Here are the great champions of RTI. अरे हम लोगों ने RTI लाए, हम लोग ITI की लड़ाई लड़ी, हम पारदर्शिता लाए, we are the honest people, we are the transparent people, and you hide the CAG report. So, they have to answer everything. Unfortunately for them, they have no answers. That's why perhaps all this drama of crowdfunding and all that.
All right, well, thanks for speaking to us for now. Viewers, BJP is calling the Aam Aadmi Party campaign, asking for donation for the Delhi poll mayor drama. You heard that reaction coming in from Nalin Kohli, who joined us live. Now listen in to the Chief Minister, Atishi, launching that donation campaign for the Delhi polls.
आम आदमी पार्टी को सपोर्ट किया, आम आदमी पार्टी को डोनेट किया, आम आदमी पार्टी को चुनाव लड़ने के पैसे दिए। आज मुझे खुशी है कि आज मैं अपने चुनाव के लिए, जो मैं कालकाजी विधानसभा से लड़ रही हूं, एक क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन की शुरुआत कर रही हूं। इस क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन का मकसद है कि जो 40 लाख रुपए मुझे चाहिए अपनी विधानसभा क्षेत्र में चुनाव लड़ने के लिए, मेरी आज दिल्ली के लोगों से, देश भर के लोगों से अपील है कि वो सामने आए और इस क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन में मुझे सपोर्ट करें।
All right, viewers, there you heard the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi launching a crowdfunding program asking people to donate money for the Delhi elections, and says that people can donate money for Aam Aadmi Party's honest politics. This statement has, of course, raised concerns, given that it's coming amidst the CAG report that has surfaced over the liquor gate, accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of causing a loss to the exchequer of over rupees 2,000 crore. Let's also go across to my colleague Riyanka, who's joining us live on the bulletin to get us more on this. Riyanka, very good morning to you. Atishi has launched a crowdfunding campaign. The BJP says it's only a drama, it's theatrics. When asked about her statement that she's asking money for an honest Aam Aadmi Party campaign, how do you see this playing out ahead of the Delhi elections, and who do you think the voters are swinging towards?
Well, as elections are round the corner, we know happening early next month, we are seeing that both the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP are launching several programs, several welfare schemes as well as campaign. And today we have seen Delhi Chief Minister Atishi launching a crowdfunding program where she's clearly said that the party needs around 40 lakhs rupees in order to build in more better funds for this election. And she has clearly said that the people must donate the money for an honest Aam Aadmi Party, which the BJP has called in an entire theatrics program. Atishi says people donated money to support the Aam Aadmi Party's honest politics. She also goes ahead and says we do not take money from big businessmen for elections. Aam Aadmi Party government works for the common people, and for my election from Kalkaji, I am launching a crowdfunding campaign for rupees 40 lakh, which I need for the election. People can donate as much as they want. So there clearly we can see Atishi there launching such a program for the people in order to win these elections, which is quite appalling to witness at this point in time, given it clearly shows that how the Aam Aadmi Party is running low on funds, given that they have been cornered regarding several other issues of financial irregularities. On the other hand, as I rightly mentioned, the BJP has come down quite heavily on this, and they have said that this is an entire game of drama, an entire show of theatrics by the Aam Aadmi Party here ahead of the elections.
Well, thanks, Riyanka, for joining us and sharing those updates.